I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my latest journal. And this one is stained glass. And the digitals are from Anton of Bontik Vintage Designs. And they are gorgeous and I have enjoyed using them. And this is a single signature journal. I've got this pretty fall fabric. Got the doilies. And I did this on the 50 Stack Challenge, and I've got some pretty orange lace. And my closure is one of these, I guess you call it journal jewelry, that I crocheted and just added in beads. And got this flowy orange lace. And let's see what we've got. I'm going to do a quick flip through. Got this card, and I believe I did this on the 50 Stack Challenge as well. I've got a pretty fabric on the inside. I think this is gorgeous. Stained Glass is the name of this one, and I've got Anton's Etsy shop listed in my description box, and there's a 50% off code if you're interested. These are some of my background papers, and it's light enough to write on, so it's plenty of writing space. I've got a fabric flip, and you can write on that. That's another one of mine. These are the bright fall. I have those listed in my Etsy shop. And that is one of mine. I've got this card. I've got this one with one of the little flowers I crocheted, and I added a half back pearl too. And it's the backing of my neutrals, which is listed in my description box as well. in my Etsy shop as well. My mind is not clear today. Got this little bookmark tucked in, this tag. I love Anton's digitals. They're beautiful. I made a little tuck with that one and a card. And that's one of my background neutrals. I love that. And got that little paper clip and hidden journaling spot. Now, if I can always get it back on is always the thing. And got this envelope that's with a tag to hold down and just some writing space on paper. Little tag here, it's like a double. Got that tag, and that tag. Also with one of those, and I'm adding some more of those to my Etsy shop. I really need to get busy crocheting. Got the little belly band there, and another bookmark. This is one of Anton's digitals, and use the back side as writing space. They're so vibrant. Did the edging on the solid paper. I've made this 3 pocket. I did wax seal on that, and you can use that as writing space. Tuck that in, little tags. Another one of those with a wax seal. This paper, I love the sound of it. The center, and I've got my little dangles here. Another tag with a little flower. Gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. And I've got this one. It's a little tag with a pocket. Another side tuck. And that's one from Crafty Cat. Her Children in Costumes, I believe is what the name of it is. Got that tag and that little tag. That one. Just a little tuck there. My doily. Another tag. Our journaling card. Another journaling card with an up tuck. Those pretty tags. And the last ones. And the way I do this is I like to tuck in the lace and hold it closed really tight and just wrap it around and then just kind of cross over. Cross this one back over. And then when you release that, it tightens it up and it holds it together. So I hope you like this journal. I hope if you enjoyed this video that you'll give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I'm going to have this on my Etsy shop if you're interested. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.